How to turn on belated birthdays notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on belated birthdays notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and then go down until you find settings and then click notifications and here you will find birthdays. Click on it and then you will find belated birthdays. If you want to turn it on, just click on it one click and as you see, belated birthdays have been turned on. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.